Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to do this purple smoky eye makeup look. So if you're interested how to do that, then keep on watching. Alright guys, first I'm going to start off from the eyebrows. Before I apply any brow product, I'm going to prime the area around my eyebrows. And for primer, I'm going to use the Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer from the NYX. And I'm applying it on my forehead and around my eyebrows to blend the eyebrow pomade and concealer easily. For eyebrows today, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe, and I'm using the NYX angled brush number 18. And first I'm brushing all my hairs up with this pulley. I'm drawing the line on the bottom of the brow and drawing the tail of the brow. Then I'm brushing my hairs down and drawing the line on the top of the brow. Then I'm drawing the tail of the brow and filling the brow in. I'm filling in the inner corner with scratching motions. I'm brushing my hairs up and down with this pulley to blend the product, and doing the same thing on the other eyebrow. First, I'm going to carve up my eyebrows using the Max Factor pen stick in the shade 12 True Beige and flat brush. Then I'm blending the concealer using damp beauty blender. Then I'm brushing my eyebrows with this pulley to blend the eyebrow product once again. I'm applying the eyebrow gel. This is Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara in the shade Dark Blonde. I'm applying the eyebrow gel starting off from the outer corner of the eyebrow, and then I'm applying the gel on the inner corner. Doing the same thing on the other eyebrow. Alright, brows are done and time for the eyes. Today I'm using the Scotch tape. I'm applying the tape lower than my eye to make cat eye shape and to connect the eyeshadow on the lower and the upper eyelids. For primer today, I'm going to use the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm going to apply it on the upper and the lower eyelids. I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Liner Black Gel Pencil in the shade 900 Deep Onyx. I'm applying it on the upper and the lower waterlines and also between my lashes on my lash line. This is going to be our base. Then I'm taking black shade from the Maybelline The Nudes palette and angled brush, and I'm applying it on the upper and the lower eyelids. Then I'm taking triangle eyeshadow brush without any eyeshadow on it and blending the pencil once again. Then I'm applying the same pencil on the outer corner and all over my eyelid and blending this pencil using classic eyeshadow brush with scratching motions. Also, I'm blending the lower eyelid. I'm building up the shape of the eye and I'm doing the cat eye shape. I'm working with these three brushes to blend the black pencil. Then I'm taking big blending brush and blending the black pencil once again. I'm setting the pencil on the upper and the lower waterline using eyeshadow to make it more long-lasting and matte. Then I'm applying black eyeshadow on the upper and the lower lash lines with tapping motions. Then I'm taking the Romantic Bird Professional Makeup Palette. I'm taking dark beige shade called In the Nude and I'm applying it in my crease with tapping motions. I'm blending this eyeshadow in with small blending brush with circular motions. Then I'm taking a light brown shade called Ultimate Tan and applying it also in the crease with tapping motions and blending that in with small blending brush also with circular motions. Then I'm taking dirty pink eyeshadow and I'm applying it in my crease and blending this eyeshadow using circular motions and small blending brush without any pressure on the brush. These 3 shades are going to be our transition shades and they will make our blending much easier. Then I'm taking 2 light shades, matte and shimmer, and applying it under the brow on the brow bone. Then I'm taking the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion Over the Rainbow palette and I'm taking purple shade on the small blending brush and applying it in the crease and blending that with circular motions. Then I'm taking big clean blending brush and blending my crease once again. I'm going to use the purple NYX Liquid Sweet lipstick in the shade LSCL10 on my eyelid, and this is going to be our base for the purple eyeshadow. I'm taking fluffy brush and blending this lipstick all over my eyelid. I'm using tapping motions and scratching motions. I'm taking small blending brush and blending the harsh edges from the liquid lipstick in the crease with scratching and circular motions. Also, I'm blending the outer corner. I'm taking purple shade from the rainbow palette on the small blending brush and I'm applying it in the crease using circular motions. Be careful, do not leave harsh edges at all. Take your time and blend the eyeshadows. Then I'm taking purple shade from the same palette and applying it in the crease with circular motions. Then I'm applying purple shimmer shade from the same Beauty Glazed Rainbow palette and applying it all over my eyelid with flat brush using tapping motions. The NYX glitter primer made the shimmer eyeshadow more pigmented. Also, I'm reapplying the purple eyeshadow on my eyelid with the fingertip. I'm leaving harsh edge in the crease to make fake cut crease without actually doing the cut crease. I'm adding some more of the purple eyeshadow in the crease. I'm using small blending brush and circular motions. Then I'm taking black shade from the Maybelline The Nudes palette and applying it with tapping motions on the outer corner of the eye. And I'm taking a little bit of this black eyeshadow in the crease and blending the crease once again with small blending brush without any eyeshadow on it with circular motions. Also, I'm blending the crease color on the outer corner. I'm using small blending brush to blend the edge between the outer corner and the lid color. Then I'm applying the shimmer shade called Marshmallow on the inner corner. I'm using the Essence Liquid Ink Waterproof Eyeliner and I'm doing my wing and extending the inner corner. I'm drawing the wing only on the lash line and I'm not doing the teal. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. Time to take off the Scotch tape. I'm cleaning my face from the fallout with makeup removal wipes. That's why we are doing first the eye makeup and then the face makeup. Time to finish the face makeup and I'm applying the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer on the rest of my face. I'm going to color correct and I'm using the NYX Color Correcting Concealer Palette. I'm using green corrector to cover the redness and the blemishes that I have on my face using flat brush. Then I'm using the all-round concealer palette from Catrice Cosmetics and I'm using the red color corrector from this palette, but this palette unfortunately is already out of stock and you can use the red corrector from the NYX color corrector palette. I'm blending the color corrector using my fingertips to warm up this product and to blend it easily. Then I'm taking affordable color corrector palette, the Rival Me concealer palette, and I'm taking the beige corrector from this palette and covering the color corrector that I have on my face. I'm using flat brush and I'm blending beige corrector once again using my fingertips. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte Cover Foundation in the shade 110 Rose Vanilla, and first I'm applying it only on the one part of my face to blend it very quickly with damp beauty blender because this foundation modifies very quickly. I'm applying the foundation on the rest of my face and blending it once again with damp beauty blender very quickly. I'm using the Max Factor Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige and I'm covering my blemishes with flat brush. I'm blending this concealer using my fingertips around the pimple and leaving the concealer directly on the pimple to leave the maximum pigmentation on the blemishes. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade 327 Cashmere and I'm applying it under my eyes. And I'm blending it with damp beauty blender looking upwards. Also, I'm cleaning the shape of the eye. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Translucent Powder in the shade 90 and I'm applying it all over my face. I'm sculpting my face using the Inglot Sculpting Powder in the shade 510. This is the coolest shade that they have and I'm applying it under my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my chin, on my nose and under the bottom lip to make my lips look fuller. I'm using the Bourjois Paris blush in the shade 54 Frosted Rose and I'm applying it on my cheekbones and on my nose to make this makeup look more cute. To warm up my face, I'm using the Maybelline The City Bronzer in the shade 250 Medium Warm and I'm applying it on the same places where I applied the contour, under my cheekbones, on my forehead, under the bottom lip, on my nose and on the jawline. Time to finish the lower eyelid. I'm taking the black shade from the Maybelline The Nudes eyeshadow palette and I'm applying it on the lower eyelid with tapping motions to blend the black pencil on the lower eyelid. And I'm taking 3 purple shades from the Color Fusion Rainbow palette on the small blending brush and blending this black shade on the lower eyelid. Be careful, do not take the eyeshadow too low. I'm using first the darker purple shade, then the lighter, and then the lightest purple shade. I'm reapplying black shade on the lower lash line. Also, I'm applying the dirty pink shade on the lower eyelid from the Romantic Bird Professional Makeup Palette. Time for the mascara and lashes. For mascara today, I'm using the Yves Saint Laurent Luxurious Mascara for a false lash effect in the shade Noir Radical Black and I'm applying it first on the lower and then on the upper eyelashes with 3 layers. I'm applying the mascara on the both sides of the lashes. I'm using this spoolie to brush off the excess mascara. I'm curling my lashes with curler, but make sure that your mascara dries out completely. I'm using the affordable lashes from AliExpress called Scone Heat and I'm using the largest lashes from the packaging. Don't forget to use mascara right after you applied your eyelashes to stick your own eyelashes with the fake eyelashes. Time for the lips. First, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Lip Primer and applying it all over my lips. Then I'm using the NYX Sweet Lip Pencil in the shade SMLL31 Cans and I'm going to overline my lips and fill them in with the pencil. Then I'm using affordable matte liquid lipstick from the Essence Cosmetics Stay 8 Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 5 Dare Proof. I'm using the NYX lip brush to make my lips look sharper. I'm carving my lips using the Max Factor Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige and flat brush. Time for the setting spray and highlighter. For setting spray today, I'm going to use the Diego Dalla Palma setting spray. I'm going to apply the MAC C18 Soft and Gentle highlighter right after I applied the setting spray to make the highlighter more pigmented. I'm using the Life Hack. I'm applying the setting spray directly on the highlighter brush to make it wet and it looks more pigmented. I'm applying the highlighter here on my cheekbones, on the tip of the nose, on the bridge of the nose, on the cupid's bow, a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on the chin, and a little bit on my temples. Alright guys, and that was the purple smoky eye makeup look. If you enjoyed watching this video, had fun with me, or found it useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, that all is Ira Cloud, and see you in my next video. Bye!